Hi, friends! Today, we're going to practice some English using a technique called shadowing.
Good morning, Watson.
Sherlock, it is very early.
You are awake.
Someone is dead.
No,
A crime?
no.
Is this an emergency?
Yes, for my mind.
Then why are you calling me?
I could not sleep. Sleeping is optional.
Optional for you, not for normal people.
In our last call, you lowered the volume when I played the violin.
No, I did not.
You did.
I don't think so.
I recorded the call. I have proof.
You recorded me?
Of course.
Okay. I did. I am sorry. I had a headache.
A headache at the exact violin moment. Interesting.
Sherlock, please, I really need coffee.
Before we continue, I must check something.
Check what now?
That you are the real Watson.
This again.
Question 1. What do I drink every morning?
Tea. Always tea. Can I drink mine now?
Question 2. What is my favorite Beatle?
I don't know. You only listen to classical music.
Acceptable. Question 3. What is my favorite superhero?
Maybe Doctor Strange?
Correct. We are similar in many ways.
Oh my God.
Question 4. Do you like my violin?
Yes, of course.
You paused. Suspicious.
Sherlock, I am real.
An AI would say that too. Now let us talk about Paul McCartney.
Oh no, not this.
There is a theory. Paul McCartney was replaced.
I love the Beatles, but I do not believe that.
Look at the facts. His face changed. His style changed. His voice changed.
People change.
Album covers have signs, roads, shoes, messages.
Listen, I really like the Beatles, and if Paul was replaced, the new Paul is just as good.
I agree. He is very talented.
Thank you. Finally, something normal.
Of course. Maybe the theory is not true.
Maybe.
I wanted to see your reaction. I study fake news.
You woke me up for an experiment?
Yes, and I knew the Beatles are your favorite band.
This is unbelievable.
Also, this was revenge.
Revenge?
You lowered the volume during my violin performance.
Sherlock?
Now you can drink your coffee, my friend, and listen to Let It Be. It will help you relax.
I am not relaxed.
Excellent. Good morning. In the second part, you will talk to my friend Watson as if you were me.
Sherlock, it is very early. Someone is dead. A crime? Is this an emergency? Then why are you calling me? Optional for you, not for normal people. No, I did not. I don't think so. You recorded me? Okay. I did. I am sorry. I had a headache. Sherlock, please, I really need coffee. Check what now? This again. Tea. always tea. Can I drink mine now? I don't know. You only listen to classical music. Maybe Doctor Strange? Oh my God. Yes, of course. Sherlock, I am real. Oh no, not this. I love the Beatles, but I do not believe that. People change. Listen, I really like the Beatles, and if Paul was replaced, the new Paul is just as good. Thank you. Finally, something normal. Maybe. You woke me up for an experiment? This is unbelievable. Revenge? Sherlock? I am not relaxed.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you next time, my friends. Bye!